of volcanoes. Types means kinds. We have got some words here, our vocabulary. Some of them we know, some of them we don't. We are going to explain each one. Sleeping. Sleeping. Of course, you know the word sleeping, but when we call or when we connect the word sleeping with volcanoes, we mean it means an extinct volcano, and an extinct volcano is the one that is not active. It's not going to explode. A volcano causes ash, or we have ash that comes out of a volcano. And ash means a gray powder. When we burn a piece of paper, it turns to ash or turns to gray powder. Magma. Magma. Magma, this is a hot liquid rock that's under the surface of the earth. Under the surface of the earth. Smoke. Smoke. Smoke, this is gray gas. Gray gas. After a fire or during a fire, we can find some smoke. Lava. Lava. And the word lava means a rock or some rocks in the form of hot liquid. Hot liquid. It also comes out of a volcano. Gas. You already know gas. Active. Active. The opposite of sleeping. Active volcano, that means it's going to erupt or ready to erupt and explode and send out the ash, the magma, the smoke, the lava, all these things. Dust. Dust means gray powder or gray sand that you can find it in the streets. Everywhere we can find dust. Fire. Explosion. The word explosion. Explosion means burst with loud noise, to explode, to make a loud noise because of explosion, to be destroyed. Earthquake. Earthquake. Maybe after or during a volcano, we can feel a sudden movement in the earth. We call the sudden movement an earthquake. The earth shake. We call it an earthquake. Destruction. Destruction. It means damage. Damage. In exercise number 2, we are going to identify what will happen if one of them, and them means a super volcano or a very big volcano, erupts. If a super volcano erupts, number 1. Erupts means to get active and explode. The lava, which is the rock in the form of liquid, will wipe out. Wipe out means remove. Wipe out, like the wipes that we use it to remove the dirt from our hands. Wipe out everything for 100 kilometers around the volcano. The lava, the hot liquid, will wipe out, will destroy, will remove everything, houses and trees and people and animals, for 100 kilometers around the volcano. 50 centimeters of ash will fall in an hour. The ash, the gray powder that comes after we burn something, will fall on the ground in an hour. Like we burned a very big thing and the ash will fall on the ground during an hour. The dust and gas will block out the sun for a long time. The gas and the dust will block out. Block out means to stop or to cover. To stop or to cover the sun for a long time. Also the temperature. The temperature will drop. The temperature will drop. Drop means to go down. The temperature will drop because the gas that injected into the air, and that will also cover or block out the sun, so we will cover the heat, and it's not going to be very cold, but it's going to be colder than usual. Plants and animals will die, of course, because the lava will destroy everything. Many people will not survive. Survive means to stay alive. To stay alive. Survive. Calderas or supervolcanoes. Calderas means a large circle in the middle of a volcano. And if you cannot imagine, this is its picture. This is a caldera. Caldera, it's a large circle in the middle of a volcano. Calderas or supervolcanoes are huge volcanoes that can cause worldwide. Worldwide means all over the world. So it causes a worldwide damage or destruction. And also climate change. Climate means weather. If they erupt, if the volcano or the supervolcano erupt, they cause a worldwide damage and climate change. The good news is this, and news takes is because we consider it uncountable now. This only happens every 100,000 years. A supervolcano erupts every 100,000 years. So this is good news. The bad news is there are at least means the lowest number, the smallest number. At least we have 2 sleeping volcanoes that are ready to wake up soon. Toba